Hi, I'm Christy.
Olacia.
Well, let's talk eyebrows.
My eyebrows are naturally very light. I need to use a lot of products to create the shape.
Okay. I think it's really important when using products to layer a few different products instead of just using one. So using the Arch Sculpting pencil to just create a nice base layer to fill, and using a nice light touch, gently moving back and forth to kind of pick up the hairs and get on the skin. And then blend it out with the brush. So using the micro sculpting pencil in Platinum Blonde, I'm going in on top of the Arch Sculpting pencil to create little hair strokes in a slightly different tone to create that multi-dimensional look. Next, we're gonna go in and add a little bit of volume with the volumizing fiber gel. We're really building it right now. Really get in there and do this backstroking. And then finishing with brow shaping gel in clear. We'll set the brow so you can see them, lifting them, brushing them up. Add some hold to the brow. Okay, are you ready to see your brows?
Yeah.
There you go.
They're so full and even, and the shape is amazing. Thank you so
Great.
much.
Looks good, you're welcome.